Introducing the Sales and Expense Tracker for automating daily business accounting. First is the dashboard showing real-time reports by month and year based from your data inputs. Start by setting up your sales channels and expense categories by simply filling in the yellow fields. Next, list your products or services with details such as item code and price. You may insert additional columns as needed. Then, under Sales Listing, input each sale with the date, item, quantity, discount, status, and sales channel. This includes customer details and possible VAT computations. Similarly, for expense listing, input each expense with the date, category, description, total cost, and status. All amounts are automatically totaled by date and category for easy tracking. Lastly, you'll have a daily sales report and profit summaries for business review insights and ranking of your best-selling services or products and top sales channel. Plus, an expense report with daily, monthly, yearly and by category breakdown. Streamline your accounting and bookkeeping records. Grab one for your business today.